Asalaamu calaykum maanta waxaynu qaadan doonaa Ingiriiska dadka dhaladka ku hadlaan waxaana la dhahaa informal. Waxaana badanaa ku hadlo dadka u dhashay Ingiriiska waa muhiim inaa barato uma baahno inaa buug iyo qalin ku qortid balse waa fahan. Haddii aad horay u taqaanay Ingiriiska balse haddaan aqoon baro hadda. Kuna soo biir YouTube channelkeena Horma Online Academy si aad u hesho casharada cusub. Subscribe saar. Like saar siina sharagarey mahadsanid. I want to speak English. I wanna speak English. I want to make money online. I wanna make money online. I am going there. I'm gonna there. I am going to show you something. I'm gonna show you something. I wanted to travel in abroad. I wanna travel in abroad. I want to build my future. I wanna build my future. I wanted to learn French language. I wanna learn French language. We want a peace. We want a peace. It is hot today. It's hot today. It is cold today. It's cold today. He want his money. He want money. I have finished the work. I finished the work. I will go London. I'll go London. He will come. He'll come. I will do it. I do it. Question contraction is, where is he now? Where's he now? What is there? What's there? What is your native language? What's your native language? Who is at the door? Who's at the door? Where is my key? Where's my key? How is your situation? How's your situation? What is up? What's up? How is it doing? How's it doing? What have you done? What have you done? How is the weather? How's the weather? Who is coming tonight? Who's coming tonight? How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? What is for lunch today? What's for lunch today? What have you brought? What have you brought? Who is at home? Who's at home?